tutorial of mesh surface for Solidworks. I will just take this object and place it in a standard view. In this case, I'll put it on top. In some cases, you may want just to align this perfectly, and you can do this manually just by dragging and freeform adjusting in space. But we have a tool for this, which is called Align. If you just try to press this, you'll get a warning message because it wants you to have a pre-selected edges or multiple edges that you want to align. In this case, I will just double click to get the whole edge chain selected. What I want to do is place this horizontally. I will just select this mode. If you see, the software automatically starts drawing a guideline of my horizontal location where I want to place. You can switch this to vertically if you want to align the edges into the vertical direction on the screen, or just horizontally. Just want to say that this means that it just takes the current viewport, and this is what it's understanding about the horizontal and vertical. So it's not in the global space, but just in the standard viewport. I will just turn this off and place again this in the standard view. We'll pre-select my edge chain with double click. Go to Align. I have a horizontal in this case. So now, what it will do, if I just click somewhere on the screen, it will use this location to align. But if you hover over the vertex, a point, it will just snap to this point, and this is where the alignment will happen. As you can see now, the section has been correctly aligned, and you can just use this in a much more efficient way. We'll just repeat this exercise again on this section. Double click, select a line, it's horizontal. This time I'll just click somewhere where I like here, and you see that it's aligned here. So in this way you can just create a much more aligned reference shape that is much better distributed. I hope this video is useful. Thank you for watching.